Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate an avocado every day for a month? This superfruit is packed with nutrients that could transform your health. In this video, we'll explore the science-backed benefits of daily avocado consumption and uncover some surprising changes you might notice. Stick around to learn why avocados deserve a spot in your daily diet. Avocados are nutrient powerhouses. Just one fruit is rich in healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamins, like C, E, and K. By eating an avocado daily, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. These nutrients support everything from heart health to glowing skin. Imagine starting each day with this creamy delight and fueling your body with all these essentials. One major benefit you'll notice is improved heart health. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the kind that helps lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Over a month, this can lead to healthier arteries and better overall cardiovascular function. It's like a natural tune-up for your heart. Your digestive system will also thank you. With about 10 grams of fiber per avocado, this fruit promotes regular bowel movements and a balanced gut microbiome. Daily avocado consumption can help prevent bloating and constipation, leaving you feeling lighter and more comfortable. If you're looking to manage your weight, avocados can be your secret weapon. Despite being calorie-dense, they're incredibly filling. The combination of fiber and healthy fats keeps you satisfied for longer, reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options. Over a month, this could contribute to better portion control and a slimmer waistline. One of the most visible benefits? Glowing skin and shinier hair. The antioxidants and healthy fats in avocados combat inflammation and nourish your skin from the inside out. By the end of the month, you might notice a radiant complexion and healthier locks. Let's not forget brain health. The high levels of vitamin E and healthy fats in avocados support cognitive function. Regular consumption may help improve memory and focus. Think of it as brain food that sharpens your mind one bite at a time. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, avocados are a fantastic choice. Their low carbohydrate content and high fiber slow digestion, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. This makes them an excellent addition to meals for anyone managing diabetes or aiming for stable energy throughout the day. Your immune system could also get a boost. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which help protect your cells from damage and support a strong immune response. Over a month, you might notice fewer colds and a more resilient body. Avocados also support bone health. They're a good source of vitamin K, which plays a key role in calcium absorption. Daily avocado consumption can strengthen your bones and help prevent conditions like osteoporosis as you age. Think of it as a long-term investment in your mobility and strength. By the end of the month, you might feel more energized overall. The combination of nutrients, healthy fats, and fiber provides sustained energy without the crashes caused by sugary snacks. Your body will thank you for the steady fuel and improved metabolism. Incorporating an avocado a day into your diet could bring incredible changes to your health and well-being. From a healthier heart to glowing skin, the benefits are endless. Ready to give it a try? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and updates.